Good afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Tuesday, July 9th, 2013. From a hazardous perspective, not a whole lot expected once we get beyond tomorrow. We do have a cold front that will be moving across the upper Great Lakes region, and we'll be bringing cooler and much less humid air back into the region for a couple of days, heading into Thursday and Friday. Ahead of the front, we will see the threat for some thunderstorm activity, especially tonight into early tomorrow. But at this point, severe thunderstorms are not expected. It did appear earlier today that we might have a risk for severe weather across northern Michigan today, but right now it looks like that risk is mainly going to be down across southern lower Michigan, and it looks like northern Michigan will escape any chance for significant thunderstorm activity. Here's the current weather map for this afternoon. We see an area low pressure located over the upper Midwest with a frontal boundary that extends eastward across lower Michigan. And we see some shower and thunderstorm activity ahead of those areas of low pressure. And that is what will be moving through the region tonight. And we're bringing our chance for precipitation. The cold front you see across Minnesota and South Dakota will be moving across the region by tomorrow morning. And once it does, winds will be shifting around to the northwest. And after that, we'll see some cooler and drier air move in to the region behind that, especially into Wednesday night and the day on Thursday. On Thursday, we do see high pressure will be building into the upper Great Lakes region, and we'll be pretty much settled in across Michigan for Thursday night, and it's a Friday morning. That should lead to a pretty chilly night, with overnight lows by Friday morning expected to be mainly in the 40s. Temperatures are expected to rebound, however, as it goes through the weekend. Here's a look at the 3-day precipitation forecast. And this runs from tonight through Friday afternoon, and most of the precipitation will fall tonight and tomorrow morning. As once we get into tomorrow afternoon, most of the rain threat will be pretty much out of the region. And here is the current severe weather outlook. This runs from now through the overnight hours. And earlier, that slight risk for severe weather was located over parts of northwest lower Michigan, but that has shifted south and is mostly focused across the mid-Mississippi River and the Ohio River valleys for tonight. So again, we do expect a chance for some thunderstorm activity tonight, but severe thunderstorms are not expected. We will see a little bit of fog develop overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning, and that should burn off by midday tomorrow. And then we'll see another round of thunderstorms possible heading into the latter half of the weekend. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 a.m. Wednesday morning.